Listen, 24 hours in Manchester, about to go see Drake. Twizzy is up, 2025. I think this is the first link up we've had since 2023. Dimmy, my brother Deals, my twin brother Gidzo, basically like my twin, but it's my OG, Kill Bill. JB, got my brother MB coming out from London side, so yo, it's gonna be an amazing vlog. Let's go. Is how I park my car, good or bad? Because this is looking a bit bent. You know, I think it can work. You're probably asking me why I'm got the hoodie on. I ain't got the trim. See the trim? And everyone else got a trim, so today what I'm gonna do is when I get to my destination, I'm gonna use my little afro comb and do a bit of a pit my ride freestyle on my hair so I can make it look like something. See ya. Airport busy in a ras, G. Yeah, mad. Just got through security. Check-in, sorry, not security. Now going to security. But I got the business class, so my thing will go quick. Fast access, you feel me? We're really outside tonight, man. It's gonna be an amazing night, can't lie. Amazing. Let's see what's in there, man. It's a good place to eat. Fuck. Starbucks way too light for me. I'll check what shops are in there, man. I got the biggest fans.
Sorry.
What happens, man? Hey, I told them subscribe, man. I told them subscribe. So what's happening right now is I've got people bullying me in the airport. They're saying these crepes are fake lambins. And they're running away now. Look, they're running away. They're running away. Crazy. Safe flight though, yeah? God bless. Take care. Smells fresh. Money. It's been a long time. I think 2023 was the last time I came to Manchester. So, nearly what? 3 years on now. We're back. Twizzy Rich is up, yeah. Naughty kid, you know. Look at him. Yeah. Mad. I'm in Manchester. Mad. Drake. Drizzy Drake. Drake show. Mad thing. So guys, situation. I'm on 1%, trying to get a black cab. Hopefully he's got an iPhone charger, otherwise I'm finished. I'm finished. Let's see what he's got, because I don't know how I'm gonna get to my destination. Billy, Billy.
Yeah, man, listen.
Nah, ski.
No, money flex, man. Alright.
Hey, this is a crazy one. The flight was smooth, man. Up and down.
Mad, bro.
A cheap flight go straight up and down.
I boxed in the main spot.
What? This is ski, you know. This is my Twizzy.
Dead, fam. Hey, listen.
Dead.
This trip in and out team is gonna be crazy, fam.
Nah, Gidzo,
lock it.
I was about to get a black cab. I just told him I'm on 1%, Gidzo. So I'm asking everyone if they got an iPhone charger.
Oh, bro, we're here, bro. Look, 1 minute away.
Oh, my broski's got me.
1 minute, dog, man.
No, you saved my thing. Oh, Gidzo.
Yes, sir. Alright, we're here, man.
This ski is Twizzy, them.
You're dead, man. I'm dead.
I'm dead, man. Are you mad?
I can't believe it.
I told the camera, yeah, I got 1% on my phone. Let's see if anyone's got an iPhone charger for me, otherwise I'm finished. Alright, sir, quick question. Do you have an iPhone charger? Kill Bill came behind me. I said, yo, Gidzo, see my brother. See my brother, man. You know, the blood, like, you can smell it from a mile away like a wolf. Kizzy. Yoski.
Always on the phone and that, bro.
Twizzy, them. Were you dumb? Mouth, bro. Bills. You know what's crazy? Someone stole the hat off me, you know. Someone took the hat off me, bro. I had the hat, he gave it to me in Bahrain. I was in Holland. I took it off, I don't know why I took it off. and gone. Message them straight away.
He's picking up the whole Edwardian. Yeah.
How does it go again?
Yes. You already know, man. It's the kids of fly cam, man. You know I stay. You know I rock. Yeah, man. Outside with the Edwardian. We've been there before. It's been a minute though. About to touch base again, see what I've gone. We're here for a good time, not a long time. All the man them got to be back in their various places, training, back to London, back abroad. You understand? So yeah, man. We're gonna make it a sweet one though, man. So you lot lock in. All right.
Shout out H for this. Link is Wolves. My brother is Sean. Playboy Carti.
Kizzy, man.
The fit.
They don't really know what you do behind the closed doors, you know.
The Cole Buxton plain white. These I can't remember where they're from. This is a Mason jacket with a Alvey underneath.
Clean. Yeah.
Bottega from
Bottega.
Goods.
Alright. Like
Yeah, something different, man.
It's got, you know, Jordan 1s, you get me?
Yeah.
ASOS little trousers.
I like.
That's a pull and bear top.
I like.
Look at Yachtmaster 40, you get me? Whoop as well, you get me? On the fitness team. Keep it up, you get me?
Kizzy.
That's me, bro.
From Prada. Bums already know, man. Buckle on.
BB Simmons.
Prada on the top, you feel me?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sirski.
Craig gets up. Talk to them.
What I need you to do is lock in. That's literally it.
Lock into the content, man.
All you gotta do is lock in.
Lock into the content. We're here, man.
Timmy, how you feeling? How you feeling, Timmy?
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. Winter's here, my dog probably do it for Louis Bell. That's just all we know. We don't know nothing else. I tried to show. I tried to show.
She didn't love who I am. Back in high school.
I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with knuckles in my hands. I didn't have a cent, 13 hours till I land. I mean, hot like a light. Like a light. I hit you all night. Do you want to hang right now? Friend that you went to school with. Grade school, high school, college, university.
Out here, Drake. Amazing. Okay.
So guys, as you can see, Drizzy, amazing. I got no words. Like, if you weren't there, you missed out. Big shout out to the Twizzies, Gidzo, JB, MB, Donny, and the biggest Twiz. Waiting to board my flight. Tired, but all worth the experience. So can't complain. Yes, sir, man. Out here. More to come.